Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create and share folders in Outlook in Office 365. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize your emails into specific categories and collaborate with colleagues by giving them access to certain folders. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully logged in and can see your inbox clearly before proceeding. This ensures that all your folders and settings are properly synced and ready to work with. Once your email has loaded, navigate to your inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your folders and email structure live. To create a new folder, simply right-click on your email account header, which is usually named as your email address at the top of the folder list. When you right-click, a context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select New Folder. A prompt will appear asking you to enter a name for this newly created folder, so type in whatever name makes sense for the type of emails you'll be storing there. Now that your folder is created, let's move on to sharing it with someone else. To share this folder, start by clicking on it to highlight and select it. This step is important because Outlook needs to know which folder you want to manage permissions for. After selecting the folder, head to the Folder tab located on the top part of your screen and click on it. This tab contains all the tools you need to manage folder settings and permissions. Under the Folder tab, you'll see a button labeled Folder Permissions. Click on it to access the permission settings for this newly created folder and begin the sharing process. A folder property window will appear on your screen. This is where you'll control who can access the folder and what they can do with it. From here, look for the Add button and click on it. This opens up your contacts window, allowing you to search for the person you want to share the folder with. Look for the contact that you wish to share this folder to and click on it to highlight them. Once highlighted, click on Add to include them in the permissions list. After the contact is added, click on OK to confirm your selection. Now comes the important part, setting the permission level. Look for the permission level drop-down menu and click on it. This lets you select exactly what level of access the contact you've selected earlier will have. You can choose from options like Editor, which allows them to read, create, and modify items, or Reviewer, which only lets them read items without making changes. Choose whichever permission level suits your needs best. Once you've configured the permission settings, click on Apply to save your changes. This newly created folder will now be shared with the contact you've added, and they'll receive access according to the permission level you set. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in Outlook and shared it with a colleague, complete with the appropriate permissions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.